Oviwa Otiwa Kokole long team alongside with the best commenter, the best video watcher, the best YouTube video watcher for the whole world. This one I Ashawo for live video. This one go watch this one today, he go watch this one tomorrow, he go watch this one the same day. This one I be the Ashawo of all live video. Now let me invite her to my house today so that I make come entertain now. What up? What? This is to show to the world that nothing goes for nothing, you know? Or that nothing goes for nothing.
Okay. You take we boss straight in here. Take we baba we mas straight for very all.
Oh, mama Jena.
Baba Jena me robi bae.
Ame yaro bi bae be kamero.
Then when I agaru avanu ko avan, we bin go si lo egbe na baba avanu ko e be do yin.
Avanu ko enya ke maso. Isa ko fa le ro pa na. Avanu ko e ro pa na. Because I know what that na be a visit of him. I be entertain the world there now.
Awakeke po he fo na baba.
Mo invite we ati ma na. Eni so we mi e Facebook we ma like we gunya gome.
Ija baba, e no waka ka boy mere. Mo gbe ki ti me. Na we you don't want to as my daughter, as the Facebook Ashawo that you be, that you always watch all the video because even the people make it clear. You know where anybody when they do here, even you when they look here, look there. Ashawo my him. Baba, I must to come.
That's so.
You understand? Oh, you me and Rema, even though Wakaka boss on Facebook, Baba. I will bossy mana. I will put bossy every
okay.
Ni pumba eva duro kwele no sef. Even now wari ekise eje wa ya wa big guy.
Yeah, you go kiss you and this company yawe.
Baba. Inyari ekise yo. Inya wa gba le hook up. Me no we baba, me wa je me wa ti the 100 the data. Iwa ya riyan ni ago in the future ya at fall here.
Okay.
Me wa go so. Oh we, I need the hook up. I want you to hook me up with a girl of a fearing of God. When so aware that is sexy but she have a God fearing. Baba yelika. When ya kere?
Oh, I like the God fearing me.
Baba, where you jam? Me tell we be fear. Baba ni we man open your eyes.
Oh, I don't know me. Go back.
I see don't know Baba. You want to have me ya where? When no have me me where ugwale fear of God. Even fear of God in when ya.
Okay, the time you said that they find woman, where they God fearing, where they only, where they respect family.
Now what do you tell me?
I want to see that kind of woman. Give them.
Papa, now my work now with the runner. I tell the guy, say I go come the guy and I say, see, now job be this. He say he need God fearing woman. She could be God fearing woman.
Exactly.
Then they give one woman to 3 men.
Okay, just so for the hookup to continue.
To continue, to me to collect my 100 euro. Now the day what they do says now, they do 20%. Obama says now, if you come now, I will give you one woman for 50 euro. It says 50%. I even says equal baba.
All these boys when they toast women, when they find hook up. Umara okpa, bomba, you not break leg. You dey find hook up for Facebook. How you want to see that real love with the fan? Now because men were J. Oh, bet it was to win now. Because we are going to have a money mission now. We are Jessica now. Who is Sophia Bakwe? We are Sophia Bakwe. We are Aisha Yakwe. So they bring on the here to us to work. So once I try to talk, all these boys, we not found a love for streets. If you don't want to go for road, if you see guy we carry water, carry water. Tell us I love you. Tell her your mind. Now I'm going to find guy they go for Facebook. Now that bonus guy they'll give you. We are coming.
Ove, no, why ready now? Baba, where, boy, see my leg and I. Me, where, Baba, where there? I shall wait to look at the video and make it. Voila, you go, you want it. You want it sooner. Yeah, one you way. Oh, why, boo. Where, camera.
The fact followers. This is a company where I'm going to your Facebook. It's a company where.
Oh, boo. This thing. Oh, boom.
Only the bosses.
There is difference between Ojeberi and Uncle. Only the social media and me do Baba, mama, we go we
So I'm not Nicholas. They are not Nicholas. All those people that you are seeing on Facebook, they are not Nicholas.
So the young brother. Omubani wa mi o wa si ogbodo nene mi o wa dede tai. Na na lu mo everywhere. Ona je no sawa. O sawa.
Good. I get that great one now. The reason why I invite this babe, because I babe I'll call you. The reason why I invite her call you because she not coming for phone. If I come and say the guy where you date, now so you break your heart, one boy for Malaysia.
Okay.
You dare Europe, you got the find boy for Malaysia, I say the boy break your heart. So which kind of category boys you like? How many boys you don't date?
But not many.
Okay, as all these boys we don't date many, so which one got good pass? Where they? Which one good pass? Where your body they tell you do you tell it? Talk before you decide. Now my ass is there, so you don't take part. You don't me fully. Talk which one they make you do 10 and 10?
I know say now you got in the
you call it TCMV, you call it blush.
Yes.
But tell me, which one now I got track pass for everything? And the category of area wait to the track. Whether not the Nicholas area, whether not the licking plate area, whether not the washing plate area, and whether not the romancy area, and whether not the smooshy area, and whether not the one with the tape pass area. If not that one with the tape pass area, and I miss the ministry for it. No, you're not going to go. Mokioni, what do you want,
Epa, the one where they wear for everything. Only say me go but what they wear, in waiting at ye, one waiting at door. All the work in waiting ya
I tell the try. What did they do? Is they but no one okay, kiss your back and kiss.
Epa.
Back on your
100%.
Only yabo. Good.
Digging and pouring 100%.
Oh, so the one where you carry that, the way you call it complaint for me, say, Pa, one want keep my life for you, not let me run come up with us. Who still be that? Work all day with you for more than 1 day with us.
Joshua, I won't done. But what you there?
Moki Joshua. But I'm going to go to now. Joshua can really actually, it's not almost a father. You're going to act Hunway. If you want to act, but not act, and no time to go to my Yakbarabu, and I don't know where we never had you yak. We're going to my petty today, Joshua. I'm going to must tell you.
Joshua no Ronnie, Niga Taba. Oni. And when we are no. Eliamo.
Oh, young winner.
No.
More you couldn't know young winner.
Child.
Ita maina we wakalu enoko. Who make sure we open make biscuits. Because some woman we be say they get biscuits and their eggs go they fabricate. Even they fabricate their body go they mezwat. And when the body they mezwat, you call they fien. When they fien, that woman in the tail top of ma. In the tail. Go come here. Ebo ano. This is the fabrication, the fien and the eggs good. Because when your eggs go they mezwat, your body must it must fabricate. When it fabricates, if man touch like this, your body will do uppies. And when woman that they do uppies, it's not good though. Go here, man.
That's what I said when I Godfather, I mean.
Mundana, what are you talking here? I carry my man for Rigro. And when I carry my man for Rigro, my man could say this boy a bad boy, this boy a bad boy. Now me repair this boy life. Everyone want back in a restaurant. Now restaurant, something not be a restaurant you be. Not believe that you pass enter Europe. Go here, man.
It's a body man, let it be out of your baba.
Libya will have it. I might say, but let me get it. What? If I'm Libya. Because I know the suffer.
Boys in Libya, our Libya boys. God will bless you now. Our Libya boys now we come upon our sisters they have with first day.
Good.
Before like this they be. No, don't make canton like this. You know say our Libya boys teach our boys with first day to put money for woman head.
Okay.
Our Libya boys now come show the boys with first day say they see the backlot for woman.
Okay.
Our Libya boys now see show the boys with they say they see the take woman they go out.
Okay.
Before. Here we malady. Baba, my one telling you now I want to somebody way. Give it to me. A Libya boys, me swan a Libya boys in it. A Libya boys in Baba. When you die, me where? Take 200, they pay your ass rent. Libya boys, you want pay.
Honestly, not time when Shetron must stop. You want everything must stop, and Shetron must stop. Any man, no, if I wish Shetron can be. It's not must ballet. I'm a look must stop. I'm a look by the can if you have to do or drive with him. I'm here. Because all these Libya boys, people will pass Libya enter room at the clap on now. Now people will pass up come. People will pass up come. You see. People will pass Libya come. Any car will la what you know. Any people to know. Arabu ya some man so after Abrabu wa me all ba really agba. Ya shit on woman. People will pass Libya come. If you be gay, any boy want to you now. He say Libya. Aslamo. If you say Libya, if you come. If you say an aeroplane, I can't call this Euro.
No. Epa, you know what's the best me nowadays for social media? Epa, like me, I know they lie, I know they brag.
Okay.
You can ask the audience, they know me very well.
It's so many audience don't go outside for your body.
Me, now, hey, who? Me? Ooh, hey. I know they say Jesus.
This is the way she talks, so this is touch me. If they do you as a woman, man, don't talk of you as a woman. And God shouted Jesus. Jesus. Okay, where you are now. Now your mates. When you go to the shop Jesus, any man, Any woman will be say, if man dey on top of you, then you dey shout Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. It's not come so bad.
The one where they vex me pass.
Okay.
All this our Facebook guests. Once their relationship spoil, before they go tag me and 99 others. They go say, enjoy with my boo on the highway.
Okay. If relationship they go on.
A small time when they will come show maybe fonts.com now they don't break up. Nothing these people will come do. They don't contact me again. They'll come put it was all pretense.
Good. You will not hear correct English. The reason some guys if they don't break their hearts. Before they break their hearts, the one they say, it's my lovely boo. It's so caring.
They go tag me at 39 others.
They go tag more than 100 people. But these days now, if they don't break their heart immediately, after they don't break their heart, they don't tag me again. They don't lie. They go for Facebook. Say, it's a 2 minutes man. It's a 1 minute man.
You get one music.
You know they travel outside.
You get one music when they come they play when they first meet.
Good.
Thank you to my S. It's not about this sense.
That one not good. Some people gonna see when you see me now, zoom zoom zoom. That's I don't know. When you see me now, zoom zoom zoom.
What is zoom for that? What is zoom for that?
I don't zoom me, Baba.
See, you get one girl when I know. You don't say me. I be social media shower lies. You don't look everything. Get one girl when I look. The girl. He come out to a Congo the toast boy. You know, these days, our guess, if you want no girl with the first man, all those girls where they wear the same shirt with man. Now they catch them now.
You run for them.
Run
What bullet?
70 years old. If you want not there, say that they desperate, say that they toast the man. When this one happen, you know when they told, me not they lie. Now what thing happen for my head? Experience they say is the best teacher.
I better give me the last topic today before I come out here.
Papa, my godmother.
You got godmother?
Yes.
Okay.
My mother of all mama. The mama-licious mama.
Que voilà zebona ebe que de bona que de. E ba so de zebona yen. Guna.
It's Germany. They go to talk. If my mama speak English, they go say, she knows how to speak English. You know how to speak English. You don't offense your village. Can I offense a village? Okay. Panasmoni me don't grade one village.
Okay, the woman grade one village.
Grade one village. That's the show. But conscious woman, a woman of speaking true, a woman of ticking boss, a woman of the ballastico. That's my mother.
That's Okoni instructor the word.
Of course.
Or they come with the word.
Of course.
But only the clapping. Or you one of the grade to po.
Yes.
Okay, better. It was a attack where you go to grade to po. Or when you go. So far, I cook fast. Or I could grade to po. Or yai.
If I
want to video, I cook fast in one. Grade to po. Because this is a woman of waiting.
Speaking true.
That's all.
A woman of the ballastico father. And the only woman that can spell love. The only woman that can stand and defend herself anywhere it belongs to.
The last thing today, because you only say I not bad because cannot carry do self love. Okay, very much. The last topic of the day. Anybody, you know, sabe bebo. You know, what's a bebo? Who never go? I sabe bebo. You know, when you want sabe bebo, if you can never sabe bebo. On your Facebook, you may sabe bebo there. But Obima, maybe Africa never even bebo with Facebook.
No.